What if everything you knew about flossing was about to change? What if your dentist's biggest secret wasn't a special tool, but the one they're begging you to use? Our team spent months in the lab, testing over 25 models under pressure, analyzing water tanks, and grading portability. The results were shocking. Most are a complete waste of money. But these 4 changed everything. This is the ultimate countdown to the best water flosser of 2025. Starting at number 1. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, now 40% off. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser won as best water flosser overall thanks to its reliable flossing action, versatile design, and great value. It carries the ADA seal of approval, not all flossers do, comes with a 3-year warranty and has been our top pick for years. This flosser includes 7 tips, tied for the most, of the water flossers we tested, so you can customize your flossing experience. It has 10 pressure settings as well as 2 flossing modes, a pulsing massage mode and a continuous stream for applied pressure. Its design is more streamlined than the similar Waterpik Ultra, our pick for the best value option, with an improved on-off button, an additional flossing mode and a smaller footprint. Number 2. Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000, now 23% off. Throughout years of testing, we've found that most corded water flossers are similarly designed and do a comparable job of cleaning your teeth. They have another commonality: they're aggravatingly loud. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 stands out for being noticeably quieter than the Waterpik models we've tested. This is especially true on lower pressure settings. If you're sensitive to noise, particularly in a small, echoey space like a bathroom, the Philips might be your best bet. Number 3. Waterproof and Ergonomic. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser is our pick for best portable water flosser based on our tests because of its next-level ergonomic design and features. This portable model is ideal for travel, or if you're just looking for a more compact option. It's also the only waterproof cordless model we tested. That means you can use it in the shower, which may be more convenient or appealing for you. Since water flossing involves letting water run from the nozzle through your open mouth, it can get messy. Dr. Kennedy also recommends using a flosser in the shower as a way to work it into your routine. Number 4. Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. The Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser is an appealing option if you want a basic portable water flosser that will also look nice on your bathroom counter. This model is extremely simple. It's essentially a smooth cylinder, of which half is a refillable water tank, with just 2 modes and a basic plastic tip. It didn't do well for sensitive gums in our tests, and the handle isn't ergonomic. Because of its simplicity, though, it's less fiddly to use, making it easy to transport if you just need a basic flosser. If looks matter to you, this was also the most attractive flosser we tried. And there you have it. The definitive list to transform your oral health routine. If this guide saved you from buying a dud, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. Every single model we crowned today is linked down below in the video description. Go find your perfect match. And if you want to support us, subscribing is the absolute best way. Next week, we're exposing the one electric toothbrush feature that every brand is hiding from you. You'll be shocked. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.